Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a food shop for you. I couldn't get a food shop delivery this week, so I just went and got it. I went to Aldi, and I also had to go to Asda because I couldn't get some of the stuff that I needed in Aldi. So in total for everything it was £63. But yeah, let's jump in. I am doing Slimming World at the moment. If I know the sins, I will tell you. If I have to find them out afterwards, I'll put it on the screen as well. But if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. But let's jump in. Okay, we're going to start with Aldi. We're having pizza one night this week. I will do the meal plan at the end of this video as well. But I got this for Ben. He asked for a big meat pizza and I thought that looked really good, so that's his. I'll be having wrap pizza. Mika loves these little baby cucumbers, so I got some of them. Some fake shreddies, because Foxy's just started to have these in the morning with milk, and he absolutely loves them, or he has them just dry as a snack. Some clusters for Ben because he loves stuff like this. I got some honey because Aria has Greek yogurt and then she sweetens it with honey and then she dips her cereal in it. Potatoes, I'm not sure if they're a healthy extra B or not. I'll put it on the screen if they are. Brioche rolls for Fox and the girls. Some 2-bit yogurts for the girls. I got these for the girls as a little treat. Milkshake biscuits, but they look quite nice. Got Foxy some strawberry and apple bars. He really likes these. I got him some waffles. These are nice little ones. He'll eat one of these a day. He absolutely loves them. 3 little pizzas. It used to just be like, I used to do one each for the girls and then chop a chunk out for Fox, but he's eating more now, so I'm probably going to cut it in half and then do half for him, freeze half, and then cook the other half for him. So the girls will have one each and he'll have a half. Pitta breads, wholemeal ones for my healthy bee, and Aria likes these as well. Beef mince for a dinner we're having. And we got some asparagus. I don't really like asparagus unless it's really thin. Like if it's thin like this, I absolutely love it. Roasted, it's like one of my favourites. When it's thick, I think it tastes gross. So that looks good. Got these 2 Tupperwares, but they're glass oven dishes. So I thought they would be handy for me for being able to reheat dinners for portion things. Got Ben and Mika some sausage rolls, some garlic because I've just run out. I got the girls these. I thought they would like them. I think Ben likes these as well. I saw these, I grabbed them and I was like, oh, I wonder if they're free, and they are. So they're free food on Slimming World, and it's rice cauliflower and then rice cauliflower and broccoli. So I'm very intrigued. And I like to use cauliflower rice like when I have chilli, because once it's mixed in you can't tell the difference. Although rice is free on Slimming World, it just then gets some speed in as well, because I don't know if this class is the speed or not, but it's vegetables, so you get the idea. I got these for Foxy, but I thought I might like these as well. Veggie straws. What is the calories on them per bag? 66. So they're 3 cents a bag, and they're really yummy from what I've had different versions of these, but I really like them. I got some little tiny like Viennetta lollies, and these are 4 cents. I got 2 boxes of them because there's only 5 in a pack, so they'll go really quick. I got Greek yogurt for Aria. I saw these and I had to get them. Choc shot. These are like 1 cent a teaspoon, half a cent a teaspoon. I'm not sure, I'll put it on the screen, but a mint one. And I got a vanilla one. I thought that might be nice in coffee. I didn't know these. Lady Marwa, who I will link, she told me about these. These are the Slim Well meals. So similar to the Slimming World meals, but that is 2 cents for that whole thing. There's loads of different ones. And I just thought, that looks like a lot. Like, that's a lot. So I thought, have that with like the veggie rice. Dinner, easy, 2 cents. Got some peas because we nearly ran out. These as well, Slim World oven chips. These are free on Slimming World. And you can get the Slimming World chips, which are free. But these are free as well. So cheaper than the Slimming World ones and easy to get in Aldi. Porridge. I saw, again on Lady Marwa, I saw on her food weight loss, because she's doing Slimming World as well. She has some fish cakes and I picked up the wrong bloody ones, but Ben will love these. They look amazing. Again, I thought this might be good on Slimming World, but it's not. It's like 11 cents a portion, but it looks amazing. Salt and chilli shredded chicken. Ben will love that. I picked these up because these are half a cent each. So we're having sausage and mash tonight. So I will put it on the screen and let you know what about them. I've got Foxy a little yogurt, some eggs, This is Asda Tiger Tail because I couldn't get that in Aldi. And then also had to get all this from Asda as well. Nuggets, because they didn't have any in Aldi. They had a section, but it was completely empty. And potato waffles, because we just go through them. Got the girls some donuts for today. Healthy Extra Bee wraps. Sugar snap peas for snacking. Monge 2 for Mika to try, because she's not had them. Ear pickers and 2 lots of beans. So that was the shop. I'm going to put it away, and then we'll have a chat about the meal plan. Good morning, it is the next day. I have all my shopping's obviously put away. I thought I would just go through the meal plan with you guys. So last night we had sausage and mash, and I used the Aldi skinny sausages that I bought, and they were so good. I was really sceptical. I thought they were going to be disgusting, but they were really good. And Ben tried them, and he's like a sausage connoisseur. He loves the sausages. Foxy man, the kids are in the living room just there. I can see them all, and Fox has got a new table to eat his snacks at, and he's just turned it over and is standing on the underside of it, so that's that noise. But if you hear them, I'm sorry, but it's life. Mika, don't, just leave him. Leave him. Yeah, you Wally. But I really like the sausages, so I froze the other ones because we're not going to have sausages again this week, much to Aria and Ben's dismay, because they would have them every day if I let them. I made Slim and Well gravy, a recipe I found on the Slim and Well website, and then I just altered it a bit, and I made it last night. It was so good, so yummy. It's sin-free, so I'll put a picture of it somewhere on the screen now. I did film the recipe and I put it on my highlights on my Instagram again, which I'll link here for you guys. Someone did say, could I do a YouTube video on it? So next time I make it, I will do a video on it, but I probably won't be making it for a little while because it made like 8 portions, so the rest has been frozen. But that was amazing, so good. I'm annoyed with myself because I forgot to put I had half a Healthy Extra A left, and I was going to put cheese in my mash, and I forgot, so I was a bit annoyed with that. But tonight we're having potato cakes and egg and like asparagus. Mika's very excited about potato cakes. She's in the other room doing a dance. I made extra mash last night, so I didn't have to make any today, but I haven't got enough, so I've still got to make mash today because I hate making mash. The potato cakes are basically mashed potato with salt and pepper, and then I'll portion out mine, and then I'll leave the other bowl with Ben and Mika's, and possibly Fox, he might eat it, Aria won't. And I'll do lean bacon, peas, green beans, corn, maybe some onion, and you just mash it all together so it's all in like a potato cake shape, and then you just put it in a pan and fry it off so it's like got a little bit of a crispy edge on it. Ben and Mika's I will coat in egg and flour to make theirs extra crispy, and they'll cook theirs in butter, and I'll just cook mine in fry light, but they still taste amazing. And then I do a couple of fried eggs that have got runny yolks and put them on top as well, and then we're going to have some asparagus on the side, and they're just absolutely delicious. That's what we're having tonight. Tomorrow is I'm either going to have a wrap pizza or a Pitta Pizza. Probably a Pitta because it just felt a little bit more substantial than a wrap. I don't know why, because like they're both my Healthy Extra B, but the Pitta just felt really good. So it's like just a Pitta bread split in half. I made one last week. I'll put a picture of that on the screen. Pitta bread split in half with my Healthy Extra cheese on it, and then some free ham and chicken if I've got it. And then I have a really big salad on the side of it. And I had a couple of people message me and say, well, you should have your salad on your plate, but I'm a greedy fucker. I want a big salad. Like, I love salad. I was saying to Ben, if I could have like a Pizza Hut salad bar in my fridge ready all the time, that would be like my idea of heaven. I just love it. I just love cold, crunchy salad. It has to be cold. I cannot deal with warm salad, like warm iceberg lettuce. No, thank you. But cold, crunchy salad I love. So I have a really big bowl of speedy salad, and then I'll have a little side plate with my pizza on it. And I know you're supposed to have any plate, but I like salad in a bowl, and I don't know, I prefer it like that. But I'm definitely getting I'm getting like 2/3 of a plate of speed compared to my one little Pitta. So it works for me at the moment. And then after that, leave him alone. Okay. They're trying to turn his table over and he's getting cross with them. Just leave him. Neither of you need to be standing next to him. Just you sit down, read a book or watch the TV for 5 minutes. You okay, fuzzy man? What doing? What doing? You want to come here? No, too busy doing his table. Then the night after that, we're having risotto. I don't know if I've done a video on making risotto or not yet, but I love risotto so much. It makes me happy, happy, happy. And the kids will have nugs that night because we let them have like one night of nugs. Then we're having, I've got to go to the dentist the day after that. So we're going to have a big lunch. We're going to have like burgers for lunch. So I'll have, we'll make our own burgers, and I have burger. And then I bought those Aldi chips. So I'll have some of those. They're free. And then a big salad. And then I'm going to make soup for dinner because I'm having a fill-in, so I'm not going to be able to eat anything hard. So I'll just have soup and potatoes for dinner. Not sure what soup I'm going to make yet. I thought I had a leek, but I haven't. So I'm going to see what frozen veg I've got in the freezer, and then whatever it is, I'll just sort of make a mismatch and just... Basically, if you've got an onion and you've got some celery and a carrot, chuck that in as your base, and then just throw in whatever other vegetables you feel like. Blend it up and it's going to taste nice. If it doesn't taste nice, add cheese and it will taste nice, guaranteed. And then we're going to have cheese pasta after that. So Ben and the kids will just have, the kids will just have butter pasta because that's what they like. They don't like cheese sauce. Ben will just have cheesy pasta. I think I've got some frozen cheese sauce that I've made previously. So he'll just have pasta with cheese sauce, and he'll probably want some bacon or some chicken in it. And then I'll have... pasta with the seriously strong cheddar. He's fine. I can show you just before anybody like shits themselves. He's fine. Get off the sofa, Mika. He's just, get out of the way. He's just turning his table upside down and getting cross because it's not where he wants to be. So yeah, I'll have pasta, seriously strong cheddar. I'll probably do like half my healthy extra with that, and then I'll water it down with a little bit of water to make it runny. So coat my pasta in that, and then I'll add green beans, peas, sweet corn, onions, bacon, cauliflower. I love cauliflower in pasta. And like chop it the same size as the pasta, and then some bacon or some ham as well. And then I will get the other half of my healthy extra cheese, put it on the top, and then I'll bake it so it's like a pasta bake, and it's just so yummy. But yeah, that's the meal plan for the week. I don't know if I've done any lunches, but because I'm making the soup, I'll probably have that for lunch either the same day as the pasta. I'll probably have soup for lunch, and then the day before as well. And then today we've got the potato cakes. I'm going to have Cajun pasta. I'm going to have leftover Cajun pasta for lunch. Tomorrow I'm going to have, because we've got wrap pizza or Pitta Pizza tomorrow night, I'm going to have a rice salad with halloumi. If I've got some light halloumi, if not, I'll just have cheddar. Like a rice salad, like just literally cook some boiled rice and then mix that in with salad and then some cheese. Possibly I might do a few sins worth of toasted seeds, because I absolutely loved seeds on the salad. So yeah, that is the week. To date I have lost 7.5 pounds officially, in 3 weigh-ins, I think. My next weigh-in is in a couple of days, but yeah, I'm very excited. My next food shop isn't coming for like another 8 days now, so we may have to do a little just top up with fresh fruit and milk and bread in a few days. But the kids just go through it so fast, and because I'm eating so much salad, we're going through it, and I just can't get the deliveries at the moment. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know how your weight loss is going. I assume that you're on a weight loss journey by the fact that you're watching this, or if you're just one of my subscribers who wants to watch all the videos, then I love you. Thanks for watching. It means the world. But if you are on a weight loss journey, let me know how you're doing it, how you're finding it. Are you finding being locked down if you're in the UK makes it easier or harder? I thought it was going to make it harder, but I started on the 16th of December and I've not binged or anything since. I've literally just stuck to plan. I write it down and that's what I have. And I haven't been hungry at all. I've just been really happy and content. So I really want to lose 2 pounds this week, and then that'll take me to a 9.5 pound loss, which I'd be like over the moon with. And then I think by the middle of February I want to get my Stone Award. That is my plan. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.